Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect the AirPods Max with the iPhone. So basically, this is the most easiest thing you can do. Believe me, I've connected many other Bluetooth devices and it can be like a thing, but this is like very easy and I'll try to keep it as short as possible. So you have your AirPods Max and you need to connect them to the iPhone. So what you need to do is, well, obviously you need to get those AirPods Max out of the case, and as you see, immediately the iPhone recognizes that there are like AirPods Max next to you. So what you need to do, well, obviously hit connect, and on the right side of your AirPods Max, and they look actually very huge on camera, but let me just not go on a tangent. Just press and hold this button right here, and after a few seconds they are connected. That's how easy it is. Obviously, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on and all of that. But if you have all those steps correctly, your AirPods should be connected to your iPhone. You can have a hassle or two. Maybe you can't connect them for whatever reason. Well, make sure if they are already connected. If they are and you don't hear any sound, what you can do is hit on that I button right there, scroll all the way down and forget this device. What you need to do, or what this does, is it forgets that whole device and you can connect them once again. Maybe that will solve your problem. Otherwise, just turn your iPhone off and on and go through that whole process once again. And that way your AirPods Max should connect to your iPhone. If none of that helps, make sure to go back to Apple, give them those AirPods Max because they are not working great. They should give you new pair because there should be something inside of them. I don't know, maybe this chip or the Bluetooth is not working well, and you should get a new pair, or Apple should just fix that problem for you. So yeah, that was it. I believe in just under like 20 seconds, you will have your AirPods Max connected to your iPhone. Yeah, if you have any other issues with your AirPods Max, maybe they are not connecting for whatever reason, leave those issues down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer those and maybe solve the problem together. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Make sure to watch one of my recent videos right here. Subscribe to this channel, that helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.